Yeah, that's gonna stop.
Oh, what the? Stay.
Pick them up! Has an obsession with my centenary Converse hat.
Yes? Put it on.
Driving in my big red car!
Where's the Bob the Builder hat? I don't know. Oi, I was in Woolies today. And you know how there's all them doing. Yeah.
Katharina likes it rough. Rough and
Oh, look at this new drink. Oh my god, the LOL drink.
yeah! so good. I had it when it first came out.
Go mango! No bad stuff.
It's yuck. I remember that. That was from the party, 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 that was from the party.
Your party was weird.
I know, right?
Are these Erica's jokes? Heels!
Katharina wants a big wet kiss.
Oh, hello. What? Oh, that's cool. It's like little. Oh my god, put Bam! Where is it?
Bam! Pow! Oh!
Freak out! Wait, stick your hand in that. Just like, woo! Wait, fuck that. Do it. Turn it down there. Ow! You don't even have a little switch. Wait, it's just like that big.
That took it off because I always have maybe that one's ready?
Like elbow you in the face, like,
fuck you! Shoot him in the kidneys.
ah. Wait, you know, if I ever jumped into my fan, I'd break my hand off.
Warning!
Weed
Warning!
area.
This is a weed
Oh
area.
my god, it's hot now. Let's see. We're like working.
And Jack, if you see this, Greenpeace is trying hard, okay?
No. Oh,
Because he doesn't let me on the
woo, number one.
We must say goodbye.
Look away.
I do not want no more Vaseline. Watch Katharina. She's scary. Righto. Can you see my burning face?
Oh, it's all over my eye. My eye's burning.
Rub it in. Let yourself feel the
Ew, it's all over
Vaseline.
my nose. And it's in my eyeball. Fuck.
Let's stop this now.
Oh my god, it burns.
It burns.
Oh.
Goodbye.